Imagine waking up to your first online payment online. Now I'm about to share with you 3 side hustles that you can start with absolutely no money. If you stick around to the end of this video, you'll be getting more resources and more info on how to go about making money online. Hi hustlers, welcome back to Self Hustle, and this is your girl Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. With that being said, guys, to the video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 of those side hustles that you can actually start with absolutely no money. Now, some of them requires you to learn something, to learn about it and understand it, while some of them just requires you to use your smartphone to be smart. So it's as simple as that. The first side hustle is proofreading. Proofreading is just you looking at an article or a page and looking for grammatical blocks from that write-up, looking at a write-up and understanding or cycling out or line making of grammatical blunders or errors from that particular article. Now, a lot of people out there just write out articles, but they don't have the time to correct, edit or map out grammatical blunders, grammatical errors or mistakes from their article. Now they reach out, or people who can actually take their time and do it. Now, if you're looking for how you can make money online, this is a go-to for you. If you know that you're good with your grammar, this is a go-to for you. Now, there are tools that I'll be sharing with you in the actually used to make this work super easy for you. The first tool will be Grammarly. Grammarly can help you edit, correct, sign out grammatical blunders, errors, mistake, misspelled wordings. Grammarly can actually take care of that, and app or a free website, unless you want to actually pay for the. But if not, you can use the free version of Grammarly to actually correct such write-up errors or something like that. Now, for you to start making money with this skill, you need to go on YouTube to learn more about it, about how to make money with proofreading. You need to go on TikTok. There are professional people looking for how they can teach you how you can actually make proofreading. So the first thing you have to do as a proofreader is to sign up on Fiverr. Yes, sign up on Fiverr, create a gig that says that you can actually proofread an article for maybe $5 or $10 thereabouts. You can watch your competitors and bring it down a little. You understand? Now you can offer sample works on LinkedIn or sample works on any platform that you know that you are free, or you know that you have access to. You can actually also use Upwork to offer free samples. Now, those free samples, you can actually upload them on your Upwork or on your Fiverr as your proof or as your review. You can upload it on Fiverr or Upwork as your review to being a proofreader. It pays between $5 to $25. You can sign up on Upwork or Fiverr, like I've said, and start making money. Their payment method is through Payoneer. So I'll be showing you a list of proofreaders on Fiverr. Like I have said, is learn about it and start making money with it. Number 2 side hustle in this video will be YouTube Faceless Shorts. We have what is called YouTube automation. YouTube automation simply means that you upload faceless videos on YouTube and it automatically makes money for you. In fact, these are it doesn't even take much time to create. The few apps that you'll be needing to actually create this content on YouTube, and you can actually share this same content on Facebook as well or on TikTok as well and start making money with it. There are a lot of faceless TikTok videos, there are a lot of faceless Facebook videos, there are a lot of faceless YouTube videos that you can actually use, and they have a lot of AI tools that you can use. Pixel, yes, Pixel to generate your image. You can use Pixel, you can use Pixabay. You can use remove BG in case you notice anything in that image that you don't like. You can use remove BG to actually remove it and edit it. Is to go ahead and search for ChatGPT or Gemini AI. These are AI tools that can actually help you generate a full script that will actually help you, guide you and put you in the right direction of creating a faceless video. And also you can bring everything together on CapCut. CapCut is another app that will help you finish your editing. Now, there are different types of videos that you can do when it comes to YouTube Faceless AI videos. Now, you can do motivational videos. It's not actually paying, but it's not actually high paying, but it is also paying. I mean, it is your first step to making money online. It is your first step to earning in dollars online. The next type of content you can do is gaming content. Yes, if you know you are a gamer, you can actually use that to your own. The next one is review. Yes, you can drop reviews on other people's content, their videos. You can, you know, browse about it. You can even ask ChatGPT, how can I make reviews on YouTube without getting violation strike or anything? The next one, or the last one, is news. A lot of people out there are making a lot of, you know, reading out news or talking about a particular incident or talking about a particular village, item, location, you know, just news, educational content on YouTube. You don't have to show your face. You can actually monetize. You can monetize through YouTube revenue. You can monetize through YouTube affiliate links. Now, if what your has maybe a virtual book, like an ebook that people are selling, or maybe something that is virtual, maybe a drug, an article that is virtual, you can actually redirect people to that particular link if you know that it will actually pay you. That's what is virtual. I keep saying this all around. If you go on YouTube is like an entire school on its own. YouTube is an academy on its own. So if you go on YouTube and type how to become a virtual assistant, you will get a lot of resources. Virtual assistants are just individuals like you and I that help people handle simple tasks like email responding, you know, social media marketing, social media management, you know, replying to emails, you know, conducting travel itineraries, you know, calendar management, and all of those things. These are works of a virtual assistant. If you don't even know anything about it, once you're on YouTube and you type how to become a virtual assistant, you get a whole lot of details about it. Now, the next thing you have to do is to ensure that you, as a virtual assistant, you create a LinkedIn account. Before you go, create a LinkedIn account. Before you even see anything, create a LinkedIn account bio that you're trying to become a virtual assistant, and you're open to any free job or any free work or any free, you know, internship to becoming a virtual assistant on LinkedIn. Now, what you have to do is to try to, you know, message people, relate with people, browse on LinkedIn jobs, those that are looking for virtual assistant, message them directly, pitch your work to them, pitch what you do to them, pitch what you have learned to them, that okay, I'm trying to become this social person, and I wouldn't mind doing these services for you for free if you don't mind. So there are a lot of people out there that have a tons of jobs on their dashboards. They have a tons of jobs, workload for them to do, and they can't do everything at once. Now they're looking for virtual individuals that will help them make this work super easy. So if that is you, that is also another way to make money. It is also another side hustle. Now, a lot of virtual assistants can handle maybe like 3-4 clients together, and this is because virtual assistant job does not have you working the whole day. It doesn't. So you just choose specific hours or days that you want to work with so clients, and you choose another one to work with another client. It is as simple as that. Now is an extra trick. Use your first review as your leverage on YouTube, and you have seen that this is a way to create calendar. This is a way to put your work on calendar or do calendar management, or this is how you can create travel itineraries or something like that. Try to do that and make a screenshot of it. You can actually do that for maybe your brother or your relative, and make a screenshot of it and try to use that to pitch to anybody that you want to pitch your work to. Now, try to use any first free job you get to actually make it as your opportunity or your review, and try to offer free services maybe for the first 3 months for you to build your knowledge and, you know, expand whatever knowledge that you have. The first 3 months can be free of charge. So if you find any of the side hustles interesting, and if you think you want to try any one of them out, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video. This video will encourage me to create more videos on how you can actually make money online. Like and subscribe to this channel. About that, please do well to turn on the subscribe button and put on your post notification bell so that you get the notification anytime I upload my next video. So with that being said, see you guys in another video. Thank you.